So let me show you how you can change the iPhone drop-down menu. Let me explain it, and if you're new on Foxtecc, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, the drop-down menu is accessed when you swipe down from the top right corner like this, and in order to kind of like change it, what we have to do is to customize it. So as you can see in iOS 26, we have these like even more pages, but the point is that we can customize any of them. You can do this by holding down on the screen somewhere outside of these icons, right? So if I hold down on this, for example, they all kind of like get to a different mode. Every toggle and every widget has a minus icon, so I can delete it if I don't like it. And every single one of them is like resizable as well as reorganizable, so I can put it in a different place, but I can also grab the handle in the corner like that and actually expand it. So that's how you have the ability to change the size and customize it in this sense. But you still have the ability to click on the add a control button at the bottom like this and pick from any of the toggles which you like. You can search through them or manually scroll through the list to find something interesting. As you can see, even the third-party apps have their own toggles in there, so it's very extensive, and it also comes down to which third-party apps you have on your phone. So yeah, you can, for example, get like ChatGPT icons and yeah, different things like the browser, the document, right? All our third-party apps which you can install. For example, this Google search is really interesting because I can click on this, add this little search icon, and now every time I want to look something up on Google, I can go there and just get in here and try looking something up. Right, so that's how you would be able to customize it. Of course, you can customize every single page in here as well, like in other types of the pages as well. But that's essentially all. I hope that I was able to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future videos.